Hey everyone! Welcome back to Chill English Podcast, the place where learning English is easy, fun, and totally stress-free.
That's right. I'm Michael, and this is Emma. Together, we make English simple for you. If this is your first time here, hey, welcome to the family. And if you're coming back, hey again, great to see you.
So today, we have something really special for you. We're going to practice 5 real English conversations. And guess what? They all happen in one of the most popular places in the world.
A fast food restaurant. Yes, you go there, you order your food, you pay, you eat, and today you're going to learn exactly how to do all of that in English.
These dialogues are simple, they are real, they are useful, and they are very easy to practice. You can use these conversations tomorrow, or even today, if you go to a fast food place.
We designed every dialogue for A1 and A2 learners. That means short sentences, common words, everyday English. No complicated grammar, no scary vocabulary, just natural conversation.
And here's a little tip before we start. Listen first, then try to repeat after us. Practice with a friend, practice alone, practice in front of the mirror. It doesn't matter, just practice.
Oh, and one more thing before we jump in. If you like this kind of content, please hit that like button right now. It really helps us reach more English learners around the world.
And subscribe to Chill English Podcast if you haven't already. Every week, we bring you new conversations, new vocabulary, and new tips to help you speak English with confidence. Hit the bell too, so you never miss an episode.
Also, leave us a comment below. Tell us, do you like fast food? What's your favorite? We love reading your comments. Okay, are you ready? Let's go.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Let me see. Can I have the classic burger combo, please?
Of course. Great choice. What size drink would you like with that? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Perfect. And what drink? We have cola, lemonade, orange juice, or water.
Cola, please. Oh, wait. Can I change that to lemonade? I'm trying to drink less cola.
Ha, of course. No problem at all. Lemonade it is. Now, what about your fries? Regular or large?
Regular is fine, thank you.
All right, so that's one classic burger combo, medium lemonade, and regular fries. Is that everything?
Actually, yes. Oh, no, wait. Can I also add a small chocolate milkshake? They look amazing on the menu.
They are amazing. Great idea. I have one almost every day. So one classic combo, medium lemonade, regular fries, and one small chocolate milkshake. Is that right?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Great. And is this for here or to go?
For here, please. It's a cold day, and I want to sit inside.
Good idea. Your total is $8.50. Will that be cash or card?
Card, please.
Perfect. Just tap your card here. Thank you. Your order number is 47. We'll call you when it's ready. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too. See you next time.
Hi there. Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome. Have you been here before?
Actually, no. This is my first time. I don't really know what to order. There are so many things on the menu.
Oh, don't worry. I can help you. What are you in the mood for? A burger, a sandwich, a salad, or maybe chicken?
I think I want a burger. What do you recommend?
Our most popular burger is the Double Smash Burger. It has 2 beef patties, cheese, lettuce, tomato, pickles, and our special sauce. People love it.
That sounds delicious. How much is it?
The Double Smash Burger alone is $6, but if you get the combo, it's $9, and that includes fries and a drink. So the combo is a much better deal.
Oh, yes, that's true. Does the combo come with a large drink?
The regular combo comes with a medium drink, but you can upgrade to large for just $1 more.
I see. What's the difference between the Double Smash and the classic burger?
Good question. The classic burger has 1 patty and is a bit smaller. It's great if you're not very hungry. The Double Smash is bigger and has more flavor. It's our best seller.
Okay, I'll go with the Double Smash Burger combo then, with a large drink. Why not, right?
Great choice. You won't regret it. What drink do you want?
What do you have?
Cola, Diet Cola, root beer, lemonade, iced tea, orange juice, or water?
Iced tea sounds perfect, please.
Excellent. One double smash burger combo with large iced tea. Your total is $10. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help. You made it so easy.
My pleasure. Enjoy your first visit. I hope you love it.
Burger. I'm sure I will. Thank you. Hi, I'd like to order, but I have a few special requests. Is that okay?
Of course, we're happy to customize your order. What would you like?
Great. I want the grilled chicken burger, please. But can you remove the mayonnaise? I really don't like it.
No mayonnaise. Done. No problem at all. What else?
Also, is there any onion in that burger? I'm a little bit allergic to raw onion.
Yes, there are some onions on it by default, but we can definitely take them out for you. No onions, no mayonnaise. Anything else you'd like to change?
Can I add extra cheese? I love cheese.
Absolutely. Extra cheese is 50 cents more. That's fine?
Yes, totally fine. Oh, and one more thing. For my side, instead of fries, can I substitute a salad?
Of course. We can swap the fries for a garden salad or a coleslaw. Which do you prefer?
The garden salad, please. With the dressing on the side, not on top. I like to control how much I use.
Smart. Dressing on the side. Got it. Now, what about your drink?
Can I get just water? Still water, not sparkling.
Of course. Still water is free with the combo. Let me repeat your order. Grilled chicken burger, no mayo, no onion, extra cheese, side garden salad, dressing on the side, and still water. Does that sound right?
That's perfect. You have an amazing memory.
Ha! I write it all down. Don't worry. Your total with the extra cheese is $9.50.
Here's $10.
And here's your 50 cents change. Your order will be ready in about 5 minutes. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much for being so patient with all my requests.
It's our pleasure. That's what we're here for. Have a great meal.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Could you help me for a second?
Of course. What do you need?
I just got my food, but the restaurant is really busy today. Is there a table available somewhere? I can't find one.
Oh, let me check for you. It's lunchtime, so it gets crazy. Yes. There's a nice table for two by the window. Do you see it? Right over there, next to the plant.
Oh, yes, I can see it. But wait, there's a jacket on one of the chairs. Is that seat taken?
Let me go check. 1 second. No, don't worry. Someone just forgot their jacket there. That table is free. You can sit there.
Perfect, thank you. Oh, could I get some extra napkins? I only have one and I'm a very messy eater. Haha.
Of course. Here are some extra napkins for you. Do you need ketchup or any other sauces?
Yes, please. Where's the ketchup? I don't see it on the table.
All the sauces are at the self-service station, right over there, next to the drinks. You can get ketchup, mustard, barbecue sauce, and more. Help yourself.
Great. And one more question. Where are the bathrooms?
The bathrooms are at the back of the restaurant, past the trash bins. You'll see the signs on the left.
Oh, perfect. Thanks. Actually, do you have a phone charger? My phone is almost dead and I have to wait for a friend.
You're asking a lot of questions today. Just kidding. I love it. We actually have a charging station near the windows. It has different cables, USB-C, iPhone, and the old USB.
Oh, wow. That's amazing. This place is great.
We try our best. Is there anything else you need before you sit down?
No, I think I have everything now. You've been so helpful. Thank you very much.
Enjoy your lunch and say hi to your friend when they arrive.
I will. Thank you again.
Hi again. I'm ready to pay, please.
Of course. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was delicious. The burger was amazing. But I actually want to mention one small thing. I ordered without onions, but there were a few onions in my burger.
Oh, I'm really sorry about that. That should not have happened. Are you okay? You mentioned you were a little allergic.
It's okay, I'm fine. I only ate a small part before I noticed, but I just wanted to let you know so it doesn't happen to the next customer.
Thank you for telling us. I really appreciate it. I'm so sorry for the mistake. Let me give you a discount on your bill today because of that.
Oh, that's very kind of you. Thank you.
Of course, it's the right thing to do. Okay, so your original total was $9.50. I'll take off $2 for the inconvenience, so your total is $7.50.
That's really generous. Thank you. Can I pay by credit card?
Absolutely. Just insert your card here, or you can tap if your card has contactless.
I'll just tap. It's faster. Okay, done. Can I also get a receipt, please?
Of course. Would you like a paper receipt or should I send it to your email?
Paper is fine, thank you. Oh, and one more thing. I loved the lemonade here. Do you sell it in bottles? I'd love to take one home.
Ha, yes, our lemonade is very popular. We sell it in 1-liter bottles for $3. We make it fresh every morning.
Wow, fresh lemonade? Yes, please. I'll take 1 bottle.
Great. Here's your bottle and here's your receipt. Your total, including the lemonade, was $10.50, and you saved $2 today.
Ha, I love saving money. Thank you for everything. You've been so nice today.
It was our pleasure. We're sorry again about the onions. We'll make sure it doesn't happen again. Please come back and visit us soon.
I will. This place is great. See you next time. Bye.
Bye. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
And that's a wrap. You just finished all 5 real English conversations for fast food situations. Give yourself a big round of applause.
Seriously, great job. If you made it to the end, that means you're serious about learning English, and that is something to be really proud of. Learning a new language takes time and effort, and you're doing it.
Now let's do a quick recap of what we practiced today. In Dialogue 1, we ordered a full combo, a burger, fries, and a drink. Super simple, super useful.
In Dialogue 2, we learned how to ask about the menu. Great vocabulary for when you don't know what to order. What do you recommend? How much is it? Does it come with a drink? All gold.
Dialogue 3 was all about customizing your food. No mayo, no onion, extra cheese, dressing on the side. Because hey, you deserve to eat exactly what you want.
Dialogue 4 helped us find a table. Ask for napkins and sauces, find the bathroom. All those little things you need, but sometimes don't know how to ask for in English.
And Dialogue 5, paying the bill, handling a small problem politely, and saying goodbye with kindness. These are social skills and language skills at the same time.
Our challenge for you this week, go back and listen to one dialogue again. Then try to shadow it. That means listen and repeat at the same time, like an actor learning lines. It's one of the best ways to improve your speaking.
And if you really want to level up, try to write your own short dialogue in the comments, even 3 or 4 lines. We will read every single comment. Let's see what you've got.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up right now. It takes 1 second and it helps us so much. And subscribe if you want more conversations, more tips, and more chill English in your life.
We post new episodes every week, so hit that subscribe button and the bell so you never miss one. We've got lots of fun topics coming up at the airport, at the doctor, at a hotel, and more.
You are doing an incredible job learning English. Remember, every single word you learn, every conversation you practice, every episode you watch, it all adds up. Progress is progress, no matter how small.
We believe in you. Keep going, keep practicing, and keep being awesome. This is Emma.
And this is Michael. And this has been Chill English Podcast. See you in the next episode. Take care.